For better living, are you feeling good tonight? This thing got me thinking of life.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a half up, half down crochet slash feeding Ghana braids, just like a freestyle hairstyle. So first things first, I'm just moisturizing her hair with my Blue Magic hair cream. Everybody knows, I stay loyal to that Blue Magic. So I'm just parting her hair in half. So the front section is going to be where the cornrows are going to be, and in the back section we're going to be doing some really nice cute crochet hairstyle. So we're going to be playing with color today. The color we're going to be using is color 30 because I really like how it looks on her skin tone. It just warms it up and it just reminds you of summer. It's just fun, cute, and just effortless. So first things first, I like to start at the back because that's where we want to do the layout for the crochet. So I'm just going to be doing a zigzag braid at the very bottom, and then I'm just going to be following through with some horizontal braids from where I have that parting from her temple to temple. You guys will see in a minute. The reason I like to do a horizontal braid right there is because that's the shortest part of her hair, so I still want to be able to incorporate some crochets back there. So I just do a nice little braid going sideways, and I follow through with braids going up and down right after that. Yeah, this hairstyle was just like very spontaneous. I didn't actually decide on this hairstyle until maybe an hour before she came. So yeah, it was just very spontaneous and random, and I really loved how it came out. So yeah, what I'm doing right now is just adding some extensions to braid her hair. The reason why I use braiding hair to braid crochet hair is because it makes it last longer as opposed to when you braid with just her natural hair. So when you add hair to it, it gives the crochet hair style some longevity to it. So yeah, a little tip: braid with hair. It'll prolong the wearness. It will prolong the hairstyle for you. So yeah, definitely braid with hair, especially with hairstyles like crochet. It goes a long way. So I'm going to be doing 2 braids on each side coming towards the front part of her face. Now the braiding hair I'm going to be using today is the Freetress Braid 101 in 28 inches in the color T30. Now T30 is like a warm honey blonde / 1B color. It's very cute, and I love how it looks on her skin tone. You guys will see what I'm saying in a minute. And of course I matched the braiding hair that I used with the crochet hair just because I wanted everything to kind of mesh up together. Like I could have easily used like a 1B, but I wanted the front part of her hair to match with the ombre crochet that I'm doing at the back. So it just really sums up this whole look. It makes it look so nice, you guys. It's so cute. But yeah, so for the actual braids I'm going to be doing in the front, I'm just going to be doing like an S shape. That's the best way I know how to explain it. It's just like a subtle S. It's not like a full S. It's kind of like a half S, like a, you know, just a lazy S. That's just the how I parted the front. I thought that design was like really cute. Now because her hair is very textured, she does have 4C hair, I went ahead and used the Shine and Jam hair product and just apply that to both perimeters of where I parted the hair. And then I also took like my rat tail comb and I parted the hair down the middle, and I applied products in the middle portion where I just parted the hair. What this does is just like it saturates the hair with the products, making it easy for you to kind of braid all through and just make the hair more relaxed when you're braiding it, because with 4C hair, when you're doing hairstyles like this, it's very important for the hair to have a very smooth finish. So this product really does help me with that. As you can tell right now, it has like a white cast to it, but don't worry, that white is gonna fade off by the time we're done with this hairstyle, so don't let that trouble your sweet little heart, okay? So first things first, we're not going to be doing the regular fitting. The reason I say this is because if you do the regular fitting method on this her hair texture, it's just gonna, I don't know how to explain, but it's just gonna be very bland. It's just gonna lay really flat. It's not gonna stand out, you know. So I opted to do the Feedin / Ghana braid method because it's gonna make the braids in the front stand out so much more, as opposed to if I had done the regular like Feedin method, which is like very nice and flat. You know, it wouldn't pop out, it wouldn't stand out, it'd just be kind of regular. So yeah, that's why I wanted to do the Ghana braiding method at the front part. But yeah, just take your time. If you have a client that has really like thick 4C hair, take your time, like don't rush it. Yeah, just make sure you gather as much hair and make it as smooth as you possibly can, because I'm not gonna lie, it is difficult. We talked about this, you know, too, when we did the lemonade braids. You guys shared lots of tips, so yeah, you can refer to that video if you need help braiding 4C hair with like fitting or just any of those cornrow styles. Make sure you refer to that video, because loads and lots of hairstylists, you guys shared your expertise on that video, and I really appreciate it. So I do see myself from time to time going back to that video in the comment section and getting some tips, you know, so make sure you check it out. I'll put the link to that video in my description below, so yeah, definitely check it out. So yeah, just complete this until you have completely covered the cornrow section, and then just continue to braid, you know, the rest of the braids the individual way like you normally would braid. But yeah. So for the crochet portion, I'm going to be using the Expression Bounce Twist hair. You guys, I actually randomly stumbled into this hair at the beauty supply store, because when I'm bored, I like to go to the store and like look at hair and see which ones I like and which ones I could do what with. So I found this hair. It's really cute because it has like 3-in-1. I really like products like this because it prevents you from having to spend more than you really need. So I think altogether one pack was like $15, as opposed to if you had bought them individually and they were selling for like $7 a pack, you know, so you are getting a pretty good deal. The hair does come with like a loop. It comes pre-looped. You can either break up the bands that come with the loop, or you can just, you know, crochet it as usual. I just ended up crocheting it as usual because I just felt like breaking the bands was just too much work, so I was quite lazy, I'm not gonna lie, so I just ended up crocheting it as usual, and it still came out really cute, so you know, it doesn't really matter. So yeah, just pretty much crochet this until you have covered the back portion of the cornrows that we did for the crochet. So yeah, I'll catch you guys a little bit later. So I'm basically just securing the top braids into like a nice cute like top knot, and for those two braids coming to the side, I'm just gonna go ahead and insert the beads that I purchased for her. Yeah, just using the latch hook that it comes with, I'm just gonna be simply applying that, and then I'm gonna go ahead and use like a rubber band to tie her braiding hair to the beads, so that way it doesn't slide down and just stays really nice and secure. But yeah, this is pretty much the basics of this hairstyle, and don't forget to go ahead and use your edge control to like lay down the edges, like you know, the parts that you couldn't grab. Just make sure that you have a rat tail comb and your favorite edge control. The one I'm using right now is the Cream of Nature extra hold edge control, and like I said, I always love this product. It works really nicely. So yeah, that's what I just use for her edges, and of course, you know, you can use whatever you have available to you and that you love. But yeah, you guys, that is really it for this tutorial. Don't forget to trim to shape it and take out any flyaway hairs that you might have. I hope you guys really like this tutorial. This will be a great style for back to school for anyone looking for something really cute and effortless. It looks very natural, like this could literally be her real hair. So it's just such a cute style. Yeah, I hope you guys love this video, and I hope you guys are inspired to create your own versions. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up, make sure you share it and leave a comment, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Have a merry day and God bless.